The Q905 is a ripper blade made for cutting hardwoods, softwoods, all types of trees, pecan, pine, and everything else. The Q905 gives you about 30% longer life than other competitors' blades. It has a machined cobalt steel backing, which makes it harder and helps reduce noise and vibration. The Q905 comes in 1 inch, 1.25 inch, and 2 inch. Depending on what logs or wood you're cutting, we will recommend a tooth pitch for you. The 905 comes in 7/8 and 3/4. With those tooth pitches, it'll evacuate the shavings out of the log a lot quicker, so you can cut straighter and faster. The 905 is a perfect blade for sawmill or home use. Call one of our salesmen at Sawblade.com and we will take your order and recommend the perfect blade for you. When you need a blade that's reliable for ripping wood, the Q905 saw blade is the one to go with. I'm Ernesto Aguilera. I'm with Sawblade.com. We are your competitive advantage.